Hi, in this video I'm gonna quickly go through how to use the blood glucose tile in My DiabetesConnect. When you initially enter the app on your main dashboard, you will see your blood glucose tile, and in fact all the other tiles either in green color, yellow color, or a red color. And the tiles change color according to your latest results, and if it's green color it would mean that your latest results is within target. If it's yellow, it means it is above target, and if it's red, it means it's extremely high or extremely low, and you need to talk to your doctor about how to improve it. You can go into the blood glucose tile. On the blood glucose tile, initially you will see a graph view. On the graph view there are two different types of graph. You can see on the top is just a line graph where you can select different meal types such as pre-meal, all meals, or post meals, and the blood glucose for each meals would be shown in these graphs. Each reading in the graph would be shown either in red, yellow, or green color. Red would mean that the blood glucose for that specific meal was really high. Red also could mean that the blood glucose was low for that specific meal. Green means it would be in target. Yellow would mean that you need to work on it. And then if you click on the list view, there you could see again all the blood glucose readings that you have entered according to date. And again it will helpfully be either in green, yellow, or red color, and each of the boxes will also have one or two letters which would indicate which meal it was. By clicking on show targets, you'll be able to see the abbreviations for each meal. And you can also now enter comments with each of your blood glucose readings, and those can be shown by clicking on the show comment box. When you want to add a blood glucose reading, all you have to do is click on add and enter your reading, select the unit type, and then select which meal it is, and you can add a comment and you can just submit it. And then these readings can be seen on the graph and list view. And this really should take out a lot of the thinking that one would have to do around your blood glucose. Hopefully this will help you better control your blood glucose, as this is one of the biggest issues that I see a lot of people come across, as they don't know when to check and how to interpret them. And I hope this will lead to better blood glucose control and better overall diabetes control. And please do check out my other videos on the YouTube channel, and if you do have any questions, please do get in touch with us.